Welcome to you all. Today's topic is scalar quantities and vector quantities. What is scalar quantities? Scalar quantities is defined as means the quantities having only magnitudes. The quantities having only magnitude are called scalar quantities. Okay? The quantities having only magnitudes are called scalar quantities. Means only magnitudes. Examples: mass, length, density, volume, charge, electric potential, etc. all are scalar quantities. Why? Mass, length, density, volume, charge, potential, like this quantities having only magnitudes. There is no direction. Okay? So these are the scalar quantities. So what is vector quantities? Vector quantities means the quantities having magnitudes as well as direction. The quantities having magnitudes as well as directions. Vector quantities. The quantities having magnitude as well as direction. The quantities having magnitude as well as direction are called vector quantities. Example: displacement. Displacement What is displacement? The shortest distance between the initial and final position of a body towards final position. So toward final position means that is the direction. So displacement, magnitude is the actual distance, direction is the direction towards the final positions. So displacement is a vector. Displacement, your velocity. What is velocity? The rate of change of displacement. So displacement time is the velocity. So velocity is a vector quantity. So velocity is a quantity having magnitude as well as direction. Suppose velocity is equal to 5 meter per second. Arrow is there. That is the velocity. Direction. So velocity is a vector quantity. Acceleration. Acceleration, the rate of change of velocity. That is the acceleration. If velocity increased, that is called acceleration. Is that is decreases, that is called retardation or negative acceleration. Okay, all are vector. Force, electric intensity, etc. All are vector quantities. Electric intensity, that is force by charge. Force, that is mass into acceleration. So all are vector. But work is scalar. Work is the force dot s. Dot, that is a scalar product. So vector quantities, the quantities have magnitude as well as direction, and examples are velocity, displacement, acceleration, force, intensity, etc. These are some examples of the vector quantities. Okay. Now, different types of the vectors. Types of vectors. Types. Number 1, null vectors. Number 2, equal vectors. Number 3, negative vectors. Number 4, co-initial vectors. Number 5, co-linear vectors. Number 6, first now null vector, equal vector, negative vector, co-initial vector, co-linear vector, and also coplanar vector. Coplanar vectors. Number 7, localized vector. Localized vectors, or that is called fixed vector. Fixed vectors. Number 8, non-localized vector. Or free vector. Number 9, unit vectors. Okay. These are the types of vector: null vector, equal vector, negative vector, co-initial vector, co-linear vectors, coplanar vectors, localized vectors, that is known as the fixed vector, non-localized vectors or free vectors, unit vectors. Okay. So what is null vector? Now what is null vector? What is the definition of null vector? Null vector means it is a vector having zero magnitude. So it is a vector having zero magnitude and an arbitrary direction. Arbitrary direction. What is the example of this? A point. A point. A point is a vector having magnitude 0. Direction is arbitrary. Number 2, equal vectors. Okay. What are the equal vectors? Two vectors having same magnitudes and direction are called equal vectors. Okay, example. So these two are two vectors, u vector and v vector. Means if u is the initial velocity, value is 5 meter per second. So as u is equal to v, so v must be 5 meter per second, same direction and same magnitude. Okay, so these are the two vectors. Now number 3 is negative vector. Number 3, negative vector. A vector having equal magnitude and opposite direction of another vector, a vector of equal magnitude and opposite direction of another vector is the negative vector of that vector. Means if A is a vector, that is A is a vector, negative vector is magnitude same, direction opposite, that is the minus A. Suppose A vector is magnitude is 10 meter, so minus A vector also magnitude is 10 meter, direction is opposite. Next, number 4. Number 4 is your co-initial vector. Co-initial vectors. What is co-initial vectors? A number of vectors having a common initial point, having a common initial point. A number of vectors having a common initial point are called co-initial vectors. Okay, co-initial vectors. So which are the co-initial vector? Suppose these are the vectors like this: u, v, w, x, y. P is a point. All these vectors having common initial point, that is P. So V is the common initial point of these all vectors u, v, w, x, y. So these vectors are called co-initial vectors. Okay. Next, collinear vectors. Next, collinear vectors. Number 5. Collinear vectors. So collinear vectors, so vectors having common line of action. The vectors having common line of action are called collinear vectors. Common line of action, there are two types: A, parallel vector, parallel vectors. So what is parallel vector? two vectors acting along same direction. Two vectors acting along same direction. Acting along same direction. Are called parallel vectors. So the magnitudes are may or may not be same. Means the parallel vectors, two equal vectors are parallel. In this case, magnitude are same, A and B. These two are equal vectors. These are also parallel, but these are also parallel. Magnitudes are not same, U and V. Another things is the angle between two parallel vectors is 0 degree. Theta is 0 degree. The angle between these two parallel vectors is 0 degree. Okay. Next, anti-parallel vectors. Anti-parallel vectors. Anti-parallel vectors. Two vectors are in different directions. Two vectors are directed in opposite direction. Two vectors are directed in opposite directions called which are two vectors which are directed in opposite directions are called anti-parallel vectors. Anti-parallel vectors means this is a vector, this is minus A. So these two are anti-parallel. So like this are also anti-parallel. U minus U or V. So these two are anti-parallel. What is the angle between them? Angle between them, theta is equal to 180 degree. Theta is equal to 180 degree. These are the collinear vectors. Next, coplanar vectors. Number 6 is coplanar vectors. Means vectors situated, number of vectors situated in one plane. Vectors situated in one plane. Vectors situated in one plane are called coplanar vectors. Means like this. This is the xy plane. In this plane, P is a vector, Q also is a vector, R also is a vector, S also is a vector. Direction is irrespective. In this case, directions are irrespective. So, P, Q, R, S, these four vectors are situated in this xy plane. So, these are the coplanar vectors. Okay. Now, localized vector. Localized vector. localized vector or fixed vector. What is this? Vector whose initial point is fixed. Vector whose initial point is fixed. Vector whose initial point is fixed is called localized vector or fixed vector. Okay. Example is position vector. Position vector. What is position vector? Position vector means this is a xy plane. P is a point on this plane. Okay. Q is another point in this plane. Join OP, join OQ. OP is a vector, OQ is another vector. So OP is the position vector of the point P, this point P. OQ is the position vector of the point Q. So these two vectors having one point, that is initial point. Initial point is origin. If initial point is origin, so OP is position vector of P, OQ is the position vector of Q, which is fixed. So these vectors is called the position vector. Now next, non-localized vectors. Number 8, non-localized vector or free vector or free vector. So what is the free vectors and all vectors? The vectors whose initial point is not fixed. Vectors whose initial point is not fixed are called non-localized vectors or free vectors. Example: force, general force, momentum, etc. Okay. So only position vector is localized, others are non-localized vectors. Then unit vectors. Unit vectors. Number 9. Unit vector. What is unit vector? Unit vector of any vector unit vector of any vector is a vector. Is a vector having a unit magnitude. Unit magnitude means magnitude is 1 and direction is along the direction of given vector. Means suppose A is a vector. A is a vector. Magnitude is mod A. A cap is the unit vector. Means A cap is equal to a vector by mod A means magnitude of A. This is the unit vector. Means magnitude is unity by 1 and direction is along the direction of the given vector, means direction of the vector A. Okay? These are the types of the vectors. Means null vector, equal vector, negative vector, co-initial vector, co-linear vector. Co-linear vectors are two types, parallel and anti-parallel. Then your co-planar vectors, localized vectors, non-localized vector and unit vectors. That's all. Thank you.